Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. What do you think is in this box? Could it be another mask or a shield? Well, yes. Today I got the Vue Shield by Joe Doucet. So this is apparently a new shield that's a lot more comfortable, gives you full face protection. You wear it, it's very lightweight, simple to use, easy to clean, and it's got some features here that I want to go over with you guys. So, we're going to unbox this thing in a little bit. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to actually see if it can survive all of my personal tests that I do. And then we're going to test out some of the features that it has. But I just want to show you guys some of the things that this does have, which is full face protection from droplet sprays and splashes. So I'm going to test that out, obviously. All over UVA, UVB protection. Awesome for the sun. SPF 50 full face sunscreen. That's another really good plus for wearing this thing outside. Blue light blocking coating. Block the blue light, especially when I'm on my computer all the time. The blue light gets to me. So that'll be another plus if that works. Anti-fog coating. Everybody that wears a mask knows, especially if you wear sunglasses, you can't stand the fog, either from the shield or the fog onto your glasses. So we'll see if this actually works. It's lightweight, like I said. It has a comfortable design, easy to breathe in. We'll see. Comes with a convenient carry-in bag. Awesome. And easy to clean and dissect, and can be worn with most eyeglasses. I wear sunglasses and eyeglasses, so we're gonna put that to the test as well. So I'm really excited about this, but we're gonna see if the Vue Shield can deliver on all of its promises that it does back here. That's yet to be seen. So let's get this thing unboxed and we'll go from there and get it tested. And I'll come back here and let you guys know what I think. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get the Vue Shield unboxed. I don't know why, but I just want to write Vue. Looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see. There's all the features that I was reading off of on the back there. One good thing, the box is easy to open. Alright. Excited about the carrying case too, because one of the last masks I got, I just threw it in the back of my car. So, you know, having a carrying case is pretty cool. We got some extra something in there. Must be some extra holders. Cool, that always helps. Anything extra. Okay, so carrying case, make sure I'm nice and you guys can see that. Okay, awesome. Alright, so first plus, carrying case, like I said, feels good. That'll keep it from getting scratched or anything like that. So let's pull this out. Alright, pretty cool, easy, simple design. Nothing too crazy there. It already comes pre-assembled, so I don't have to put anything together. Looks good, feels good. Doesn't look like it's cheap or gonna fall apart. Cool, and you do see that it has a full face. It's not like half face or anything, full face. Alright, looks good so far, so good. Alright, now let's fit it on my face and see how it looks and see if I can talk and wear my sunglasses with it. We're also going to check and see if it fogs up at all. Be right back. Okay. Are we zoomed in enough to my big head? First I'm going to go no glasses. Okay, slide on. Okay, so as you can see, it sits on the base of the nose, really cool. It actually holds on pretty firm there, so you can actually talk with this thing. Breathing pretty hard, not seeing any fog, that's a good thing. This is actually me purposely fogging it up and it kind of disappears pretty quick. Another really good sign. Alright, so let's see if it actually works with my glasses. Glasses on. I can see how foggy my glasses are already. Let's clean those real quick. Alright, glasses on. Vue Shield back on. Alright, so you can see it misses the glasses. It sits there on the base of the nose, so it doesn't have a good design. The glasses go here, the Vue Shield actually goes down, still sits on the base of the nose. I can see through it perfectly fine. Fog test again. I'm able to see. Okay. Alright, now, got a little bit of water here. Just some standard generic water. Yeah, hopefully this doesn't splash my computer. Just give one little splash test so you guys can see. Alright, so. Only thing that's on my face as of right now, there's nothing comes through. Only my hair and a little bit of my neck got wet. So there it is there. Pretty good so far. I like it. Nothing crazy on the fog. Let me get this cleaned up and then we'll do some more tests. Alright, we're driving in beautiful Southern California right now. I'm on the road, just checking out the Vue mask, making sure there's no fog and everything is crystal clear and that it's holding on perfectly fine. As you can see, I do like that it sits on the bridge of the nose. It actually keeps it from falling off. I'm shaking like crazy and it's barely slightly moves. So everything looks pretty good. Let's continue testing. Okay, third time's a charm. Now we're just going to do a little bit of a splash test here. Okay. Alright. Well, let's see if it can protect the face. Okay, don't do that. Let's try the drive-through test. Let's see if they can hear me.
Hello, would you like to try the Monster Angus stick burger?
Oh, no thank you.
Okay.
Can I get the Beyond Western combo with no cheese?
Beyond Western?
Yes.
Do you want the Beyond Barbecue or the Beyond Spicy?
Ooh, I never heard of the Beyond Spicy. Is that new?
I know, we've been having it.
Oh, never mind. Let me just get the Beyond Western combo barbecue. And the last test is the working test. Can I run a copier on this thing? Will I actually be able to see myself putting the documents through the feeder and pressing the start button? Yes, I can. I can open up the trays. I can get paper out of here if I need to. And guess what? It doesn't fall off my face. So, you know what? The Vue mask is pretty cool. I'm going to give my final thoughts on this mask right now. Alright, I'm back from my extensive testing of the Vue Shield. And I gotta say, this mask is awesome, guys. From the UV blue light blockage, the full face shield, the fact that it sits on your nose tip and doesn't fall off is actually pretty cool. It's durable, it's cute actually, and it's designed by Joe Doucet. So you can actually walk around and tell people that. So, with that said, I like it. If you like face shields, you know, you can buy this thing. I'll put links in my description. You know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, put them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer any of them. Thank you, Vue Shield, for sending me this. I may actually walk around and wear it a little bit. And with that said, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.